SizeTwin. Included components: pillow sham, comforter, pillow cover, fitted sheet, flat sheet. ColorGreen Geo Camo. Age range, description, kids. StyleCasual. BrandDream FACTORY. 60% cotton, 40% poly. Imported. Easy decorating. Dream Factory can help you quickly style a fashionably fun camouflage theme bedroom in forest green, olive and khaki. 5-piece set includes 1 comforter, 66 by 86 inches, 1 flat sheet, 66 by 96 inches, 1 fitted sheet, 39 by 76 plus 10 pocket, 1 pillowcase, 20 by 30 inches, 1 sham, 20 by 26 inches. Versatile prints. Our bed in a bag makes decorating easy. With one-stop shopping, all pieces are color coordinated and are designed to conveniently complement each other. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for my military guest room. I bought for the pattern. Sheets are very nice. Thought this was a good price for a whole set. I had to buy a dust ruffle to hide the mattress.